सरस्वती नमस्तभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा. Hello everyone. Do you know why we celebrate Basant Panchami? Basant Panchami is celebrated to welcome spring and to honor Goddess Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge, learning, music and arts. Basant Panchami celebrates knowledge, positivity and the joyful arrival of spring. Here is a small poem about Basant Panchami. Yellow blooms and skies so bright, spring whispers song of pure delight. With hopeful hearts and dreams set free, Basant Panchami welcomes harmony. With gentle notes of wisdom's tune, knowledge rises, hearts in bloom. On Basant Panchami, we humbly pray for light and learning to guide our way. Mustard fields and breezes warm, a season takes its gentle form. Basant arrives with joyful spree, painting life in positivity. A touch of spring, a shade of gold, stories of new beginnings told. Basant Panchami softly reminds growth begins first within the mind. Happy Basant Panchami, everyone!